Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Siri on your OPPO ENCO AIR3S. You have to start by open the application and now go to the control at the bottom. Now decide you wanna use the left one or the right one and just click on the best one for you. I'm going with the left one, but it's the same with the right one. And then decide you wanna call it with a double press or triple press. I'm going with the double one, but it's the same with the triple one. So click on it and then click on voice assistant. And now if I press 2 times on my on this touch areas and at my left earbud, I will call a Siri. 1, 2. I'm just put it to my ear. Oh no, it worked without it. So as you can see, it awake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!